Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's beef low carb stir fry cooked in the Tefal Cook4me. Time to get the Tefal Cook4me out again, and I'm not using it as a pressure cooker but more as a stir fry function. It's already on the preheating of the saute function, to which I'm going to add a little of oil of your choice. Now I have bought some lean mince and frozen it in little flat pouches. Put the description and the date on it. They store much more easily in the freezer. If you do happen to be going camping or something, they will stand upright and they really make quite a good freezer block to keep the rest of your food chilled. What we're going to do is just remove that now, discard that bag because it's contained meat, and it's a lot easier to thaw in that shape. Okay, this is heating up nicely. We're just going to add a little bit of oil, quite lean beef to assist in the browning more than anything, and just pop that straight in and break it up. Putting in some salt now. I'm using maldon sea salt because it doesn't have any added iodine, and Richo is following a low iodine diet at the moment for medical reasons. Into that we're throwing one diced carrot, and we'll be saving the remaining ingredient till later, but the carrot needs a little bit more cooking. Doesn't matter if the celery or the pieces of onion fall in there, that'll just add to the flavour as it browns. Now you could serve this with rice, you could stuff lettuce cups with it, you could have it on sandwiches or even put it in a pie if you wanted to. Great in a wrap, or just have it with a bowl and sit in front of the TV and watch the footy or something. But we just need this to keep cooking until it's nice and brown and it's evaporated much of that moisture. Okay, just while our meat is browning, I'm just going to pop our tortilla on top of there, and the steam will soften that and make it easy to wrap. Okay, only after a couple of moments you can see it's really quite soft and pliable. We're just going to put that to one side, remove our wrap, stir our meat, and we still want a little bit of texture in our carrots, so don't cook them into oblivion. Onions now, just coarsely diced. Celery now, again coarsely diced. We want the tomato going in last thing because that's going to give it some nice freshness with our Chinese cabbage. I'm not using any thickening here. I'm not using any other spices other than the salt because of Richo's diet at the moment. It's been going for about 8 minutes. We'll give it another 5 and then we'll be ready to add our remaining ingredients and it'll be ready to serve. Okay, the Cook4me is signalling now to add the remaining ingredients. You can see we've got a bit of burnish on this meat, onions and carrot, and we're just going to send in half a Chinese cabbage. It seems a lot, but that'll sweat right down. Mix it right through. It's a very mild tasting cabbage, and we're not going to cook it until it gets that sulfury sort of smell. We're just going to wilt it down, sweat it down, and we're going to serve it in a tortilla, in a bowl, and in some lettuce cups. Now you can throw whatever herbs that you like in there, but you can see that cabbage is starting to become quite translucent. Now we're just going to warm our tomatoes up. You can put mushrooms in here as well if you like. Warm those through. I don't want them cooked, I want the colour and the texture to remain. I just need it warmed up. And that is a 1-pot meal, which is very healthy, very tasty, quite low carb, and everyone in the whole family will enjoy it. I'm going to be using mine with some jalapenos and some spicy sauce. Richo can't have that, he's just having his in a bowl. Okay, and that is ready to serve. Bright, colourful, add whatever you like, add capsicum, add baby spinach, add any herbs that you fancy, but that's all you need to do, and that'll keep warm in that bowl until you're ready to serve. And turn it off and press stop. The residual heat will just sweat those tomatoes down even a little bit further, but there's lots and lots of colour and flavour in there. Okay, now we're just going to load some little lettuce cups here with our mixture. Just pick them up like a finger food. A little squirt of Coop4me mayonnaise on there. It's one serving suggestion. Then we're going to pop some lettuce onto our tortilla with plenty of chilies because I love chilies. This meat along there. You don't need a real lot, you need to be able to roll it up. Okay, and then I've just got some coconut sriracha and that gets rolled up too, and then we've just got some to serve just as it is, and there you have it, a Tefal Cook4me healthy stir fry cooked in a few moments and served in 3 different ways. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Just going to throw a little bit of lettuce on top of here for a little bit of colour. You can use whatever herbs you like, but I've already got some lettuce cut up, and that's it. Serve with some avocado if you like, and it's delicious. Thanks for watching. Okay, I've just served our little wrap with some guacamole and some sour cream, and this is what it looks like. Lots of flavour, very mild, plenty of texture in the vegetables. It's 3 complete meals here. And look how much we've got left over to make pies or nachos, also with rice and noodles. Very economical meal.